Alright guys, so if you're wondering how I used to get hundreds of business leads every single day, in today's video I'm going to show you the exact tool I use in generating my leads online. Now take a look at my campaign dashboard. You're going to be finding I have hundreds and thousands of leads, all right, being used for every of my campaigns right here. And I know you're wondering, how do you get these leads? How do you get people to send emails to? So let me show you what I do every single day to have loads of people I contact every single day for myself and even for my clients. Now I make use of the lead sniper Google Maps scraper. Now this is one of the best tools you can be using at this time, all right, in extracting leads directly from Google. Now we have many sources of where you can be having leads being gotten for you. So one of the best source you can be getting leads from is the Google Maps itself. And if you want to have an extension or a tool that can help you extract quality leads every single time you need it, using the lead sniper Google Maps scraper is the best tool for the job. And I'm going to show you how it works. It's super easy to use, and the amazing thing is that you only have to pay a one-time fee to get access to the lead sniper tool. So if you come over to the pricing plan right here, you're going to be finding all of the lead sniper tools pricing plan being displayed, but we are working majorly with the Google Maps scraper, and you can have access to this for just $149. So it means $149 can get you a license key for the lead sniper Google Maps scraper. So once you have this, you have access in using this tool in extracting leads directly from Google Maps. So it's easy. Now once I have those two already opened up right here, you can see I have this particular box here where I have to input all the necessary keywords I'm going to be extracting my leads from, or extracting my data from. And if you don't know how to go about generating your keywords, Lead Sniper also have this kind of tool that can help you generate keywords that can be used on its platform. So for instance, now we have this service category here, which means you can browse from over 4,000 different business niches, different business categories. I'm pretty sure whatever industry, whatever category you're trying to search for any business, you're going to be finding it right here, because this is a load of data being imputed right in here. And once you have all of this selected for yourself, you also want to come right here, and you can see where we have the location. Unlike every other tool that I've come across, Lead Sniper is also giving us the leverage to choose the exact country, the exact location we want to get our leads from, and you can do that by imputing the exact place you want to get your leads from. So that is how I was able to get all of this you're finding right here. You can see I have them being generated, I copy them, and I have them imputed right here. That is all you need to do, and you want to click on start scraping. So clicking on start scraping will open up Google Maps itself, and it's going to help you start extracting all of this business data right in here. So the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper is going to be providing you with access, all right, to contact information of every business listed right here on the Google Map itself. So you have access to their phone numbers, email address, and so many other information. And if you want to be so sure that you are getting good leads directly from the Google Maps, all right, it's easy. All you need to do is to come over to this place where we have the view data dashboard. Click on that right here, and you're going to be having a very good display of the businesses that has been extracted for you by the Lead Sniper Google Maps scraper. So you can see we have the keywords here. You can see digital marketing agents in London, and we have the name of all of those businesses. We have their full address and so many other information. And mind you, we are also going to be having their contact information being displayed. You can see we have their phone number right here. And if I go a little bit to the side, all right, you're going to be having email address being displayed. So for those ones that have email address, you're going to be finding it right here. So if you practice cold email, this is the perfect tool for you to use in extracting leads directly from Google Maps. And you can find out right here that we have the website of those businesses. You can see we have their website, we have their domain, and so many other information. So you can allow this to keep running. The more you allow it run, the more it's going to be generating leads for you. Now, one other super thing I would like like to share with you about the Lead Sniper tool is the fact that you can also use this on your Microsoft Edge. Imagine you being able to use the Lead Sniper tool on Chrome, on your Chrome browser, and you are still able to use that on Microsoft Edge. So this tool is also going to be working if you have a Microsoft Edge active on your computer. So it's still the same process, still the same thing you need to do. All you have to do is to input the keywords you're trying to get your leads from, your data from, and you want to click on start scraping, and it's going to help you start and it's going to help you start scraping leads, scraping data directly from Google Maps, directly from your Microsoft Edge account. So we have multiple browsers doing the work, helping us extract leads directly from Google Maps. So if you really think I was able to get all of my leads, here is how I do get most of my leads directly from Google Maps. Like I told you, there are many sources, but if I need to get leads directly from Google Maps, I use the Lead Sniper Google Map app scraper to help me extract business leads that I can reach out for myself, for my client, and this can really be putting money into your account if you know the game well. So that is how you can be getting hundreds of leads every single day using the Lead Sniper tool. So don't forget to try out Lead Sniper today using the link down below for easy access, and you can pay a one-time fee and you can have Lead Sniper working for you. So whenever there's a new update, whenever there's a new feature, you get to use this tool as long as you've paid a one-time fee. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like this video, smash the like button in appreciation, and if you have any question related to this video, I'll be so happy to help you. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.